A mortgage approval can tell you how much you can borrow, but it can't tell you whether that payment actually made sense for your life. And that difference can affect your savings, your stress, your ability to invest, and your future. That is exactly why I built TrueKey Lending. My name is Carlos Martinez. I am a Florida licensed mortgage loan originator, a homeowner, and the founder of TrueKey Lending. This channel is built around one simple belief: financial clarity first, mortgage second. Because buying a home is not just about getting approved. It's about understanding what you are committing to before you sign. How much house can you comfortably afford? Not just technically qualify for. How much cash should you keep after closing? What happens if your taxes, insurance, or escrow payment increase? Should you pay down debt first? Does refinancing actually save you money, or does it just give you a lower monthly payment today? Those are not small questions. They are the questions that shape your real life after the closing table. I learned that firsthand when I bought my first home. At the time, I thought I was prepared. I studied business at the University of Florida. I worked in corporate banking for over 4 years. I understood credit, debt, income, risk, and financial decision making. But even going through the process myself, I remember thinking, if this feels confusing to me, how is the average first-time buyer supposed to feel? Too much of the process can feel transactional. Upload this, sign here, here's your approval, here's your payment. Congratulations. But people deserve more than a stack of documents and a number they technically qualify for. They deserve context. They deserve someone who can explain the trade-offs, slow the process down when needed, and help them think through the numbers before making a massive financial decision. That is the purpose of TrueKey Lending. TrueKey is an educational and digital tools brand built to help people make smarter money decisions, especially around home ownership. On this channel, we break down mortgages, credit, debt, savings, investing, refinance, renting versus buying, taxes, market updates, and the everyday financial decisions to shape your future. No unnecessary jargon, no pressure. Just practical explanations that help you make decisions with more confidence. And for people who want a more personalized starting point, I created the Homebuyer Roadmap. The Homebuyer Roadmap is not a mortgage pre-approval. It is a planning resource designed to help you think through your income, credit, debt, savings, comfort zone, potential cash to close, and timeline, so you can answer the questions that actually matter. What move made sense for me? Not just what you can qualify for. What fits your actual life. So whether you're thinking about buying soon, planning for a future purchase, or simply trying to get better with money, you are in the right place. Subscribe to the channel, start learning, and when you're ready for a clearer home buying plan, explore the Homebuyer Roadmap through the link below. I'm Carlos Martinez, founder of TrueKey Lending. Before you make one of the biggest financial decisions of your life, make sure you actually understand it. I'll see you in the next video.